All right. So, mostly ladies only, right? If you have not shopped with Goddess Bay yet, I suggest that you go and shop. She's very professional, and whatever information that it is you may need, she gonna make sure she get it to you. So this is what I received, and her presentation is everything. Look at this. And this came as well. So the way she do her folks when y'all shop, baby, she makes sure she thank y'all and appreciate you. She makes sure she send love that way. So I opened these. These are the Yoni pearls, y'all. So first things first. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness, girl, the wrapping is perfect. The wrapping is perfect. Yes, ma'am. That's at the Goddess Bay, y'all. Y'all need to go find her like her page. Now, let's find out how to open. Okay, here we go. And again. Ooh, it smells so good. Y'all. Presentation is everything, y'all. Oh my God, it smells so good. You are welcome. Thank you. Ladies, see her for y'all self-care needs immediately. Immediately. See her for y'all self-care needs immediately. So, go shop Goddess Bay. She also send you a pamphlet on what you buying so you'll know what you buying. So, most people be getting it and don't even be knowing what it is. And that's cool. But when you buy them, you must know that she gonna send you a pamphlet to inform you about everything that you insert in your Yoni, okay? Because Yoni gotta stay clean, sis. So, here's the big bag, y'all. It's purple, my favorite color. It smells a fucking amazing. Oh my God. Ooh, it smells so good. So, this is what it consists of. It's even, oh God, it's so pretty. So, of course I'm not gonna do it like online, but can you see? Goddess Yoni pearls. Ladies, they are only this big. This big. You insert the pearl into the Yoni. Okay? It's herbs in here, right? That attracts all the toxins and pull that shit out. Whatever the fuck it may be. So, what should you expect during your detox? Baby, when I say the pamphlet, directions ain't got shit on her. Instructions ain't got shit on her. She got a pamphlet, baby, on everything you need to know, okay? You can even ask questions if need be. She will answer them to the best of her knowledge, and if she don't know, she'll go and get the information. Y'all need to stop playing and go shop with Goddess Bay. Like, for real. Because I use her steams, And so now I'm gonna try these pearls out. The next thing I'm gonna try is I think her body wash. So I'm gonna try that out, and I'm gonna try these out, and I'm gonna give y'all a review on how these joints work for me. But this is what they look like, and she giving you all the information you need for y'all Yoni. So sis, get it together. Y'all need to go shop Goddess Bay. Period. Like that's it. All the rest of them Yoni things y'all be getting, y'all don't know what's in that stuff, do you? Nope. You don't know. Go to somebody who gonna tell y'all what they putting in y'all stuff, okay? It's only one Goddess Bay, baby. Shop.